Hello and welcome. I'll be giving you a quick walkthrough of the Sage Intacct integration with Re Leased and how invoices sync across. So let's start off on the lease details, and from the actual lease we can determine what the tenant's rent is. For the purposes of the demonstration, I'll be showing you how to generate a manual one-off invoice. Ordinarily this can be done automatically, but yeah, we'll go through this process and you can get a good idea of what that integration looks like. So hitting the generate next invoice, we can come through to the actual invoice screen. And a couple of things we can determine from here that's come through from Sage Intacct is the contact, also the account, and the tax type. We're also using tracking categories as well. And we're using the location to match between Sage and the contact in Re Leased. So once we go through and approve the invoice, we can see that it's automatically synced across on creation of that invoice. We have an invoice number, and what we'll do now is head over through to Sage to confirm that that invoice has come through with all of the corresponding details from Re Leased. So I'm refreshing the page. You can determine that's the same invoice number. If we view that, a couple of things to take note of on the line item descriptions is that we have the same amount, department, and we also have all of those matching details. So the next step is to apply a payment in that workflow. So if you want to just add in the correct amount that we'd like to pay, which is the full amount of the invoice, and we hit post, we should get some confirmation that that payment's been successfully deposited. And if we head back through to the actual invoice in Re Leased and refresh this page, we should be able to see that that payment has now been pulled through from Sage Intacct to Re Leased. So we can confirm the full amounts come through. If we hit list payment, we can also see an invoice object or a receipt object for the payment. Awesome. Thank you very much.